1. 1976 Chevrolet Camaro. Price: $9,500. Located: Mulberry Grove, Illinois, United States. The 1976 Chevrolet Camaro presented here is a purpose-built drag car offered primarily as a roller, making it an excellent foundation for racers or builders seeking a second-generation Camaro platform at an accessible entry point. Finished in red, this Camaro has approximately 5,000 miles noted since its drag-oriented setup and is equipped with an automatic transmission configuration, although the drivetrain is currently removed. This vehicle has been prepared with straight-line performance in mind and is positioned as a dedicated drag car rather than a street cruiser. The chassis and overall structure are suitable for competitive use, providing a solid base for a high-horsepower engine and transmission combination. The seller notes that the transmission is fresh and the engine block has already been machined, with all necessary parts included to complete a running engine package. While the engine and transmission are not installed in the car at the moment, they may be included in the sale for the right price, adding flexibility and potential value for the buyer. The Camaro is being sold as a roller, allowing the next owner to complete the build according to personal performance goals, class rules, or brand preferences. This setup is ideal for someone looking to finish a drag car project without starting from scratch, while still retaining control over final assembly and tuning decisions. Priced competitively, this 1976 Chevrolet Camaro represents a practical opportunity for drag racing enthusiasts seeking a classic body style paired with race-focused potential. With negotiable terms and optional inclusion of drivetrain components, it offers versatility for both experienced racers and ambitious builders looking to enter the drag racing scene. 2. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D. Price: $35,000. Located in York, Nebraska. The 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D, famously nicknamed Good Vibrations, is an exceptional example of a classic American sports car elevated into true show car and performance territory. This C3 Corvette retains its legendary styling while benefiting from a seriously upgraded drivetrain designed to deliver both visual impact and thrilling power. Under the hood lies a formidable 383 cubic inch V8 equipped with a towering 6 to 71 supercharger, generating an estimated 678 horsepower. Power is smoothly delivered through a robust turbo 400 automatic transmission, providing instant acceleration and a commanding driving experience on the street or at exhibition events. Finished in a clean white exterior, the Corvette maintains a sharp, timeless presence that highlights the iconic curves and fiberglass body lines of the Stingray generation. The bold red interior adds contrast and character, reflecting the performance-focused yet elegant spirit Corvette is known for. Every detail, from the classic pop-up headlights to the aggressive stance, has been carefully preserved and enhanced. Purchased from Harchel Road Motors in 2019, this car includes documented upgrades that showcase professional workmanship and thoughtful modifications. Adding even more value, the sale includes a 1990 car hauler trailer, making transportation to shows or race events both convenient and secure. With approximately 90,000 miles, this Corvette remains mechanically sound and visually impressive. For collectors or enthusiasts seeking a supercharged, show-ready classic with serious horsepower and unmistakable presence, this 1976 Corvette Stingray represents a rare and exciting opportunity. 3. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price: $35,000. Located in Vinton, Iowa. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street stands as a bold expression of classic American muscle fused with uncompromising performance engineering. Designed to command attention and deliver raw power, this Nova embodies the true spirit of Pro Street culture. At its core is a massive 496 cubic inch big block engine topped with a 177 Wien supercharger, producing explosive acceleration and an unmistakable supercharged roar. A turbo 400 transmission featuring a manual valve body and a 3,800 stall converter ensures precise control and immediate response, while a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.30 gears puts the power down with authority. The exterior is finished in a striking blue that enhances the car's aggressive stance, and timeless body lines. Inside, the black interior remains clean and purposeful, offering a classic look that complements the car's high-performance nature. Every element of this Nova, from its wide rear stance to its thunderous exhaust note, signals that it was built to dominate both the street and the strip. Sold as is and where is, this Nova is more than just transportation. It is a statement of mechanical strength, craftsmanship, and heritage. Ideal for racers, collectors, or enthusiasts who appreciate serious horsepower and classic design. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street delivers a thrilling combination of visual impact and brute force. It represents a no-compromise approach to performance that continues to define American muscle at its most extreme. 4. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Supersport Pro Street. Price $54,950. Located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Supersport Pro Street is a masterfully built muscle car that seamlessly blends factory authenticity with modern race-inspired performance. Verified by its genuine SS138 VIN, this Chevelle holds a respected place in muscle car history while showcasing the engineering of a professionally constructed pro street machine. Power comes from an enormous 498 cubic inch big block V8 paired with an FTI-built turbo, 400 transmission, and a Cone 5500 stall converter, delivering relentless acceleration and consistent performance. High-end components such as AFR 335 cylinder heads, a Holley Demon carburetor, MSD digital 7 ignition system, and a Be-Cool aluminum radiator ensure reliability even under extreme conditions. A 3.73 rear gear provides an ideal balance between street drivability and drag strip aggression, while Willwood brakes with line lock deliver confident stopping power and staging control. Weld racing wheels wrapped in Hoosier tires complete the car's aggressive, competition-ready stance. The silver exterior presents a refined yet menacing look, perfectly contrasted by the black interior. Inside, the Simpson racing harness, precision performance shifter, and dedicated drag race cockpit reinforce the car's serious intent. Built with precision and maintained to a high standard, this Chevelle is equally at home at car shows or the strip. For enthusiasts seeking authenticity, craftsmanship, and overwhelming power, this 1966 Chevelle SS Pro Street is a true icon reborn. 5. 1964 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova SS Sport Coupe Pro Street. Price $16,800. Located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. The 1964 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova SS Sport Coupe Pro Street is a powerful representation of classic 1960s Chevrolet styling enhanced with serious performance upgrades. With only 36,000 miles showing, this Nova delivers a rare combination of vintage appeal and modern muscle capability. Beneath the hood sits a formidable 454 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a Holley carburetor, providing strong throttle response and impressive torque. Power is transferred through a dependable TH400 automatic transmission, while a 9-inch rear end with a spool ensures maximum traction during hard launches. Finished in a deep Marlboro maroon, the exterior projects an aggressive yet refined presence that highlights the Nova's clean body lines. A raised cowl hood and 15-inch centerline wheels further enhance its pro street attitude, giving the car a planted, race-ready stance. Inside, the black interior offers a timeless look while remaining purpose-driven. A padded roll cage adds safety without sacrificing comfort, and power steering allows for confident control whether cruising or driving aggressively. Four-wheel disc brakes provide dependable stopping power, making this Nova as capable as it is exciting. Every detail, from the suspension setup to the carefully selected performance components, reflects a build completed with passion and attention to detail. This Chevy 2 strikes an excellent balance between street usability and strip-ready performance. For enthusiasts seeking an affordable yet authentic pro street classic that captures the soul of Chevrolet's golden era, this 1964 Nova SS Sport Coupe stands as a compelling and iconic choice. 6. 1965 Plymouth Barracuda. Price $42,500. Located in St. Ansgar, Iowa. The 1965 Plymouth Barracuda offered here is a true piece of American drag racing history, shaped by decades of dedication and hands-on ownership. Owned since the early 1970s, this Barracuda has been carefully transformed into a fully functional, turnkey race car, built to perform rather than sit idle. Now offered for sale as the owner steps away from racing, the car includes valuable extras such as spare parts and an additional transmission, adding significant appeal for serious racers. The roll cage was last certified in 2016 for 8.50-second passes and slower, meeting established safety standards and reinforcing the car's race-ready credentials. Its body remains solid, clean, and purpose-built, reflecting the unmistakable Mopar character that defined mid-1960s performance machines. Everything about this Barracuda, from its stance to its construction, speaks to years of refinement and real track experience. This is not a restoration project or unfinished build. It is a proven drag car ready to compete or be proudly displayed as a tribute to classic racing culture. The seller emphasizes serious inquiries only, underscoring the value of the time, effort, and history invested in this machine. For collectors and racers who value authenticity, heritage, and performance, this 1965 Plymouth Barracuda represents a rare opportunity to own a genuine Mopar race car with a storied past. 7. 1973 Pro Street Corvette. Price $25,000. Located in Hinton, Iowa. This 1973 Pro Street Corvette delivers an intense blend of classic Corvette styling and uncompromising dragstrip performance. Built with power as its primary focus, it is equipped with a massive 509 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine designed to deliver relentless acceleration. The addition of a nitrous system provides instant power on demand, elevating this Corvette into true Pro Street territory. Power is managed through a Powerglide transmission featuring a trans brake, ensuring consistent launches and dependable performance under hard acceleration. A rear end fitted with aggressive 4.56 gears allows this Corvette to come alive off the line, delivering thrilling bursts of speed that define serious street and strip machines. The exterior maintains the iconic curves of the early C3 generation while projecting an unmistakably aggressive stance that signals its racing intent. Though classified as used, the vehicle has been well maintained and remains in good overall condition. Inside, the cabin balances classic Corvette design with race-focused simplicity, keeping attention on performance rather than luxury. The seller refers to it affectionately as the old girl needing a new home, reflecting years of care and pride in ownership. This Corvette is ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate raw horsepower and bold engineering. Whether showcased at events or unleashed on the track, this 1973 Pro Street Corvette stands as a powerful symbol of American muscle and high-octane excitement. 8. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair. Price $21,000. Located in Marshalltown, Iowa. The 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza presented here is a bold and unconventional custom build that completely redefines what this classic model can be. Far from stock, this Corvair sits on a sturdy S10 chassis, providing modern strength and improved drivability. Powering the car is a monstrous 454 cubic inch big block engine that delivers overwhelming torque and unmistakable muscle car character. Matched with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, the drivetrain is built to handle serious power while maintaining dependable performance both on the street and at events. Finished in a deep black exterior, the car carries a menacing presence that perfectly matches its aggressive mechanical setup. The all-black interior continues the theme, upgraded with Mercedes bucket seats that add an unexpected touch of comfort and luxury to this radical build. Side exit exhaust pipes amplify the experience, producing a thunderous sound that ensures this Corvair never goes unnoticed. This custom Corvair is a testament to creativity and skilled craftsmanship, transforming a once modest classic into a true statement vehicle. The chassis swap improves handling and stability, while the overall build shows careful attention to detail from nose to tail. Despite its age, the car remains in excellent condition and is clearly built to be driven and enjoyed. Ideal for car shows, cruises, or collectors seeking something genuinely different, This 1963 Chevrolet Corvair stands as a unique fusion of originality, power, and personality. 9. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street. Price $25,500. Located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street is a striking example of classic American muscle elevated through modern engineering and professional craftsmanship. Originally owned by the same family since new, the car accumulated only 27,000 miles before undergoing a complete Pro Street transformation in 2024. Under the hood sits a carefully built 402 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine featuring forged internals, Dart aluminum cylinder heads, and a Howard solid lifter camshaft, delivering strong, reliable performance with an aggressive edge. Power is routed through a TH400 automatic transmission paired with a 3400 stall converter, allowing the engine to come into its power band quickly. A strange narrowed rear axle ensures durability and excellent traction, making this Chevelle equally capable on the street or strip. Weld racing wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson tires give the car a muscular stance and confident grip. The exterior is finished in bright red with a high-quality 3M wrap applied over solid, rust-free metal, resulting in a flawless appearance. Inside, the fully customized interior features a matching dashboard and race-inspired details. Power steering, Brembo disc brakes, a certified roll cage, and a fuel cell add safety and modern functionality. With a clean title and show-quality presentation, this 1968 Chevelle Pro Street represents a rare opportunity to own a meticulously built muscle car with history, performance, and undeniable presence.